What's up, Rafael Rosel here, and I'm inviting you to like and follow and subscribe sa Kamanix TV. Let's go!
Kamanix TV. Guys, if you haven't yet, don't forget to like and subscribe, follow, hit that bell button. Lahat na gawin mo na. Remember, Kamanix TV.
Salamat Naga. Please like and follow Kamanix TV. Kay Manny, please support niyo siya. God bless.
Hello, ito po si Jason Abalos and please follow and subscribe to Kamanix TV.
Guys, please follow and subscribe Kamanix TV.
Ayaw ko na si Daniela Diva, ang Grand Champion ng Kalokalike Faces sa Showtime. At i-like po natin at i-follow po natin ang page ng Kamanix TV for more infos at para update natin sa kanyang page.
Hello guys, this is Sarah Jean, ang inyong Sampan Kalokalike, and I'm inviting you to follow Kamanix TV